Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Low budget flagship phone. Launching in August or September or at Unpacked event. Price will be up to $599 or less. Design will be look like Galaxy S23 series and the Galaxy A54. With ultra-wide and telephoto camera lenses. The processor is expected to Qualcomm 8 series. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will offer 25-volt fast charging. As due to the potential areas where Samsung could compromise include the display refresh rate or the camera setup on the upcoming FE. But the cost has to be down. Renders of the Galaxy S23 FE have appeared to show its refreshed design. The Galaxy S23 FE launch could come in Q3 of this year, but it'll bring an old chipset with it. Multiple reports claim the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place July 26. But those rumors don't include the Galaxy S23 FE among potential products announced at the event. The Korean publication Hankook offers the most concrete timeline predicting an August-September release for the Galaxy S23 FE. The Galaxy S23 FE could wind up sharing the stage of this summer's Galaxy Unpacked, though Samsung could always spread things out with the multiple product launches. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.